Hey guys, this is Fundom on Rancho Pagama. Coming up next on Imbewu this week, Monday, we are finally reveals Kulego has a video from the night of the accident. Makosazana gets up to make a coffee. Makosazana discovered the recording while Shira tries to kick Mira out, but Mira does not want to leave before her mother wakes up. Tuesday, Nomsa begs Sizakele not to tell HRE about her filed qualification, but Sizakele tell anyway and Nomsa loses out on the job. A plastic bag contains a toy oil truck is what leads Punyuga to the suspicions that Zetulele is Lindile killer. Wednesday, can you meet Nozinho who is wearing Slindile earring? From the pair can you give her? Mira asked Shira not to play the record where she admired that she dragged Nairobi. Thursday, Punyuga is conflicted by Mandlovu and declarations to keep the event surrounding Slindile dead quiet. Friday, Nomsa seems a consultation with Pangele, who advised she can achieve her goal by stealing the power of her ancestor from all other descendants of that ancestor for herself. That is for this week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.